And that, my dear friends, was the biggest mistake I committed during my shoot. Hello all and welcome to Seven Leaves. I'm Shaptaparna and I'm so happy that I'm vlogging after such a long time and it feels really good to face camera. So I'm vlogging because I'm going to my village for a very special reason. And what is the reason? So I finally thought of shooting a Durga Puja special dance cover, or I'll say Kathak cover, a dance video for my YouTube channel Seven Leaves. And that is why I'm going to my village, because of the natural beauty that my village Dulalgram has. And so I thought of vlogging the journey because I have not done any such vlog like that. So that's it. I'm very much excited, and after a long time I'm going to my village in this lockdown, and we are all set for the departure. But first things first, sanitizer is very important, and I'm putting this in my purse, my mobile phone and mask. So I'm finally in my village. It's already 5 in my clock, 5:05 actually, and you can see the Uludhoni and Shankho and everything. So it's already Sandhya time. Sun has set, but it's a very beautiful filter, I can say. It's a very beautiful color is coming right now. So I don't know if you can see, there's the river Rukni, and yeah, that yellow building is a school where my father, my uncles and every kid in the village still reads there. This is very old school. And before it completely darkens, I'm going to see the spots. So one of my spots got ruined, I think, because the cash full, I thought it would still be there, but those flowers or those twigs just faded, নষ্ট হয়ে গেছে একেবারে, যাকে বলি মানে তুলো তুলো হয়ে গেছে, কাশফুলগুলি আর ঠিক সেভাবে নেই. I have to switch to Bengali, I mean. So that's a thing, I don't know. Tomorrow morning we have to shoot. So there are few spots that I have already thought of, have talked with my videographer, my brother, who is ever ready to help me out. So let me see, I hope I can pull out the video nicely, and I hope rain doesn't interfere in our working schedule, and let me see what other alternatives I can, and yeah, that's it. So you can see it's completely dark out there. I hope you can hear the crickets. And right now I'm standing in my ancestral home, and the front portion of our house has been transformed into a cute little shop with some really cool essentials. I'm so happy and excited to show you also, with really small things like meat masalas and all things like that. So this shop is basically my kakimoni's or my aunt's. She looks after the shop, and there is our house inside that, and I have got cute little friend out here. Hello. It's very busy. Let me see. So okay, it's resting time. I think I should not disturb this cute munchkin much since it's completely dark out there.
So hello friends, it is 4:27 now. I woke up at 4. So those of you know me, you definitely know I am not a morning person. I woke up today specially for the shoot, and I cannot tell you how dark and completely foggy it's outside right now. And but still I have to start doing my makeup and everything, and I have to wait for the sunrise to start my shoot. So I'm doing everything for the video for you all. So please do watch my video, and I know that this vlog will be up only after I upload my dance cover. So please do watch my video and please support me. So I am doing all this for the sake of the video for you all. So yeah, that's it. I will start my makeup real soon now.
So I'm ready for the shoot. This is my team, consists of my father and my brother, and I'm going to the location. I don't know what people will say, but yeah, let's go.
তুই না হো লগা ইয়ত যা আইলো যা
Okay, so I have finally I'm finally done with my shoot, and I do not know what it will do. It might just guta marte pare. That's it. Okay, I'm not going to disturb anyway. So I am done with my shoot. I think it's 8:30 or maybe it's near about 9, and I literally I have shed my sweat and blood. Yes, because I don't know if you can see, I got bitten by a leech. Now it's 23rd of November 2020, more than a month that I did the shoot and released the video. Yet till now, if you can see, I have the bite, the love bite that Mr. Leach gave me. I don't know, Mr. or Miss whatever, but never, I repeat, never underestimate a leech bite. Don't be a fool like me. If ever you get a leech bite, please tell the people around you Do not underestimate a leech bite. However small, little or thin the leech may be, a leech is a leech. So wash your wound immediately. Apply some ointments, and if things worsens, please go and seek medical help. What wrong I did or what mistake I committed was I thought that it's a small leech and as such no blood came out, so let's ignore it. I didn't even bother to tell my aunt, my mom even, and after 2-3 days things started erupting, and till now I have the mark, if you can see, and small little rashes still appears and disappears. And my dear friends, I ignored the leech bite, and that, my dear friends, was the biggest mistake I committed during my shoot. So okay, back to my vlog now. And the place where I danced, actually I managed somehow to dance. There were so many, itchy substances. I don't know what those were, but there were dewdrops. Everything was sticky, and I somehow just managed. And I'm doing this for you all. So please do watch my video and support me. And if you support, then I can grow. Okay, so this is my whole look, and you can see my whole pictures on this getup on my social media. So don't forget to drop at my Instagram and Twitter. The handles are given right in the screen at the rate Porna7Leaves, and the links are given in the description. So if you don't follow me, please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram as well. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Although I don't think I'm going to end this video right away now, but I definitely need to thank my brother Tilak Chakraborty and my father Partha Chakraborty, and of course my aunt and my mother, and not just them, like my extended family, for supporting me so much. And without them this video would not be possible. So I'm sweating right now. It's really sunny out here. I'm going to remove my makeup as soon as I enter my house. So I'll meet you on that side. So I have changed my clothes and I have removed my makeup, although some remains of kajal and eyeliner can be seen, but I have changed and removed my makeup long ago. But I have not vlogged, to be honest, because it is so hot right here. I was clueless what to do. I wanted to go here and there, but I didn't go anywhere because it is so hot. You can literally see no one is in the street, no kids, and no such animals can also be seen. Only a few people who are working are there. Apart from that, I think you can hear the sounds of cricket, and I could not find a particular spot so that I can show you the river, because there is no such ghat, because in winter seasons the people here use the river particularly, and they make a ghat, and when the rain comes, everything just crumbles. So that's it, and I'm done with making my video, and I'm so grateful actually to my brother who has helped me so much for making this video, and he took so much pain literally, and my father also, and my kakimoni and my mother, like actually everyone. I am actually very happy to have such supportive family, and I am doing all these things because of you all. I am making this video and I am vlogging this because of you all, just to show you that yes, I am doing. And okay, there's a tempo. So okay, so I am vlogging this only to show you all that I am doing whatever I can do my best. I do not have any professional team, nothing. I am no professional, so whatever I am doing, it is from my heart, from here. So I hope you will watch the video and you will subscribe to my channel, and you will share my videos and recommend my videos and my channel to your friends and family and neighbors and acquaintances. And I hope you will keep supporting me like you are doing. And I'm really happy because we'll be reaching 1000 subscribers like real soon. Only with your support I can do that. And today, if I am vlogging or doing anything for YouTube, it is because of you all. So I have reached my house, and yesterday I couldn't show you the small cute little shop, so here it is. So actually my father's grandmom used to have a shop where she used to sell kerosene. So it's like the shop is here again in reincarnation. I don't know what to say. I do not have that word right now. What do you call that word? Anyway, so I'm literally blabbering because I am vlogging after long time and I literally do not know what to say. So I hope you like the video. I hope you will pardon my mistakes, and I'm saying this repeatedly because this vlog will come out only after I upload my video. And yeah, it's around 2:30. We will leave our village at around 4. Probably during that time the sun will not have such harsh rays. So yeah, I'll just probably better if I end my vlog right here, right now. So yeah, I think you like my journey. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up, comment down your thoughts below, share this video with your friends and everyone else, and don't forget to subscribe to 7 Leaves and press the bell notification button to get all the notifications of my videos. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. The handles are @Porna7Leaves given right here, and the links are given in the description below. So see you next time. Until then, keep smiling, be happy, stay safe, and bye.